What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, geez, it's cold in this car right now. I don't want to turn the AC on because then you guys won't be able to hear me because the AC is literally just behind the camera. But anyway, I'm feeling a bit lethargic, I'd say. I had a fairly big lunch. I had like a bunch of prawns and some steak, then I had some fruit juice and I had a Subway. So yeah, I was going to say quite carb heavy, but the only thing that's really carby in that combination is really the sandwich. But yeah, I just thought I'd jump in the car. I've got training in about 2 hours, so just gonna go get myself a Monster. It's been a pretty good day, to be fair. I did some journaling, I trained a bit, which I'm going to show you guys after this, because I can't really bring my camera into the place where I train, because of course I'm going to be training, there's other people there. It's just going to be a bit weird if I do bring my camera in and randomly start recording. Like, the session might be very hard. But anyway, yeah, I've got a 16 kg dumbbell in my bedroom, so I'm just going to I took some clips earlier today. I've got this cool tripod thing that I can put on my window, so I'm going to be showing you some footage from that with some nice music over it, and I might recap my session afterwards. Really depends, because I normally go with my friends, so don't really want to be that guy and start fucking recapping a session when he's driving me home, or vice versa, if that makes sense. But yeah, boys, hope we're doing good. I'm trying to think of, is there anything else that I can possibly say other than the fact that I'm trying to get fucking big, boys. When I was training for my fight, I wasn't really weight training that much. Like, I was a tiny bit, but the main kind of importance was cardio, because I thought there's nothing more humiliating than getting everyone to pay to come to the event and then me gassing out in fucking round 2. Funny thing, I did TKO the guy in round 2 when I won, so you know, that's good. But that's enough of me yapping. I'm gonna go get my Monster, and yeah, boys, enjoy the training footage. Peace.
I got bad ones bringing their friend for me and my G. That's a 2-man step. When sh got wet with a 2-man step. I done a Han Solo, I ain't a Jedi. He got knocked out, he got a red eye. Yeah, I got Percy, I wanna get high. No, I can't sleep if I didn't get mine. Get fly, I don't mean Virgin or Emirates. Get to know man's got that leverage. Man just gave that drop on his brethren. First he saw done, got me a beverage. He shot white, so I cool bro, Doncic. And me I be changing the weather. I pick up a shit even though I can box him. ADHD, I got a million.
Bailalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo. Como bailalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo. Como yeah. Hey, you get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot.